Hi guys. I have one quick thing to add to sections 4.4 and 4.5 for geometry. Um, so I don't know if you noticed, but we're not going to do section 4.5 but there's one little thing that we have to make sure we mention, and you might have seen it if you've already worked on the congruent triangle worksheet. And so I want to make sure. So this is our 4.5 and 4.4 and 4.5, yeah, 4.4 and 4.5 notes. So notice, all these examples that we went through and we said why they're congruent. So two parts to these problems. Give me a congruent statement, so the actual triangle that's congruent to the other. Also tell me the reason, side, 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 side angle, side. Well, we are missing one reason, and I don't know if you noticed that. So somewhere in your 4.4 and 4.5 notes, or maybe in the 4.5, we're not going to do anything but this one little piece, or on a sticky note, there's one more reason. So in 4.4, 4.5, we learned side, 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 angle, side, angle, and angle, angle, side. Well, there is one more. It's called HL. HL stands for hypotenuse leg. And hopefully, hypotenuse leg. And hopefully you clue in immediately when it says hypotenuse that we're talking about right triangles. So notice I've got two right triangles that I did a very fancy drawing for. And hypotenuse leg means this. It's one more reason that we can add to our list of 4 that triangles are congruent. So maybe my smartboard will work. Sorry about this, guys. So in a right triangle, triangles are congruent if the hypotenuses and one pair of legs are congruent. So hypotenuses and one pair of legs. So if I'm going to mark this, my hypotenuses on both of these, just remember the sides opposite the right angle. So I could say that YZ and MN are congruent. And then one pair of legs, this is just like Pythagorean theorem. It doesn't matter which pair of legs is which. You can pick the horizontal, the vertical, whatever. It's just one of the pairs of legs. So maybe XZ and LN are congruent. If you look at this, and I think I said before, we don't do angle side side. If you're seeing what those other theorems look like, this does look like angle side side, but we don't do angle side side, remember? We do HL because technically the angles are the right angles. And then we've got a pair of sides and a pair of sides. So, and that second pair of sides, or one of the pair of sides, is the hypotenuses. So we say that triangle, let's call it YXZ, is congruent to the other triangle. Remember, be careful how you name it. If I name the first one YXZ, the second one has to be MLN. And those guys are congruent because of hypotenuse leg. So be watching carefully for the right angle. The right angle is your clue that you could potentially use this. It has to be the pair of hypotenuses and one pair of legs. If it is something else, it could be side, side, side or something like that. But watch for this one. So add this to your list of 4. So in these couple of sections, we've got 5 different reasons that we can say triangles are congruent. We don't have to list everything. We can just say, oh, it's because of HL, or if it's because of side angle side, or whatever it might be. So just a little add-on to section 4.4 and 4.5. Thanks, guys.